Origami originated in China with the invention of paper, but the form of origami as we know it today developed as an art form in Japan. Although widely recognized as a part of Japanese culture, origamis appear as transcends national borders and is loved by people all over the world. Universal beauty and creativity of this art form demonstrated that it is worthy of being shared across countries and culture. A piece of shoji paper has been talked about how animals can repair its shoji doors are one of the most typical Japanese doors, and many houses use them as partitions in Japanese style rooms. However, when they are opened and closed on a daily basis, they often become turned or have holes without being noticed. In houses with small children or pets, dogs and cats, there may be cases where the doors were torn while they were playing in the house. In such cases, it is a big job to prepare shoji paper for one doors and replace it. I've introduced it as easy way to repair the torn or puncture the shoji paper. I don't need to prepare large sheets of shoji paper, but I can use the convenient items introduced here, repair them in no time at all. Shoji doors are attractive as tasteful doors. However, it is also a characteristic of shoji paper that it inevitably develops the tears and holes. If you have been careful, but your child got it, you can use the origami to repair it and fix it. Please check it out. It's easy to repair and can be remade into a stylish shoji doors of your choice. I will show you how to make simple origami paper cutouts. Origami paper cutouts are exciting when you unfold the paper. Do you think kirie is difficult to make because it requires detailed cuttings? Once you master learn the basic folding techniques, you can make various gorgeous and cut paper cutout with just a few simple cuts. A square sheet of thin A4 copy paper, thinner and larger paper is easier to cut. Prepare scissors and pencils. Hold the paper in half triangularly. Fold it in half again. Spread it out. Fold along the center. The light thread is holded. Drawing a guideline with a pencil or sharpening mechanical pen, draw a horizontal line to divide the paper into the equal sections between where the diagonal the paper edges lines meet the fold at both ends and the tips. Draw vertical lines down the middle as well. Draw the outer patterns and draw two blank lines between the lines. Carefully cut along the lines of its scissors. Cut out. Open the sheet so as not to tear it.